Good to know those new hires are going to get that chunk of change. All right, Fox 26 is your Gulf Coast Weather Authority.
And meteorologist Ramisha Shade has been busy tracking a lot of rain this week in our area, and it's not stopping.
Yeah, but you did see a little sunshine and Dumble's live shot. So we've had a little sun, a little rain here and there. We need that break because those downpours, as you know, Caroline, can be pretty messy. So we are going to continue with the potential for more heavy rain and more flooding, but at least we've gotten some breaks where we've kind of broken things up and we didn't have really significant widespread flooding. But over the last 24 hours, rain totals have amounted to anywhere from a trace to almost 5 inches when you check out parts of Brazoria County. Check out Angleton and areas just north of Angleton. A lot of heavy rain showing up there. We do have some downpours popping up right now. We did get that break, that sun coming out, kind of helping to destabilize things. And with all this moisture in place, it's just not going to take much for these downpours to develop. So if you're about to leave the house in Cypress, grab the umbrella and the rain boots and plan on some super wet roads. And it's going to be difficult to see because that rain is coming down fast and furious there. Willis and also over into Liberty County, still dealing with some downpours there and showers still impacting you in El Campo and Wharton. Things are improving down around Texas City and Galveston. Some lighter rain compared to this morning's rain, which was much, much heavier. But here's the problem. We're going to stay stuck in this weather pattern. A lot of tropical moisture in place, big dip in the jet stream, and that spells more rounds of heavy rain. Probably what you don't want to deal with. And look, the highest threat for that flooding for really tomorrow throughout the morning and afternoon will be once again down along the coast in the red. We've got a 3 out of 4 moderate risk for flooding, and Houston tomorrow remains in an elevated 2 out of 4 risk for that flash flooding. So for that reason, the National Weather Service decided to extend that flood watch until 4 p.m. tomorrow, basically for Houston and areas to the south and east. If you're north of Houston, north of Harris County, you've been taken out of that flood watch. Your risk for flooding a little lower, but still, we all want to be on alert for this heavy rain. We're already starting to see some rises in some of those rivers, especially right around the east and west forks of the San Jacinto River. In fact, west fork of the San Jacinto near Humble, already in minor flood stage at this point, close to 50 feet. And the east fork of the San Jacinto near New Caney expected to rise to moderate flood stage over the next couple of days. So the best solution would be to get rid of all of this rain. And I think we will start to see some of it kind of fade for tonight. However, look what Futurecast is painting over our area for tomorrow morning, right around that Thursday morning rush. A ton of rain once again developing near the coast and likely pushing a little bit farther inland, impacting parts of Houston. So wet and stormy for your Thursday. Still quite a bit of rain left for Friday and Saturday, but finally, light at the end of the tunnel. Let's celebrate. Let's dance. Next week, finally getting a little bit hotter, but also drier. So enjoy the dry time next week. We need it, but plan to stay alert and look out for the threat for flooding, especially for the next few days.